Let's do the heck row. I still have like people like sending me art and shit of that game, and I'm just out of all the games that I'd like art of, just not that one. Right, that's a weird area. Lava! Cool. Roll out of that. Roll out of the good things, but not. That's pretty good. But I got used for shitty stuff, so that happened. And we're good. Kill it. Break its legs! If it has legs! If it doesn't, if all else fails, go for the eyes. If it has eyes. If not, tickle it. Just give it a good tickle. Right. Hellkith? Just stream any one you want, man. Do it. Pick any and any. Like, usually when I complete a game, realistically, I should quit the, I should just, like, stop my stream for, like, a day. Because picking the game is really, it's an important choice. Because it's something which you're going to be playing for, like, the next, you know, couple of days. So yeah. Keep it in mind. You need diversity, man. Diversity is good. Diversity. Maybe over there. Maybe. AFK again? Okay, man, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so that's been all covered. Almost done here, guys. Almost done. Then we'll never have to come back again. Alright. All the boostings. All the ponies. Ponies for days. Hundreds of ponies. Right, there is... Is the last one? Who knows? Probably not. God damn it, come here, man. Nice. There you go. And it wasn't. Well, that was fun. There's still a bugger alive somewhere here. Where is he? God damn it. I knew this was gonna happen, damn it. Knew it. Felt it in my bones. Can we, like, do that? Is that a possibility? No, we can't. Okay. This sucks. God, go forward! The penguin, move! Forward! I'm like holding forward on the analog stick. It means go forward, dude. Come on. Oh, I hate that. That's so annoying. Alright. Okay. There's a douche somewhere still alive. I wish I had like a sand buggy or something, or a hoverboard to use. Use the hoverboard. Yes? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that for now. I don't really care about the skill point. Skill point doesn't actually do anything for me, so yeah. I'm done. Done. Going home. Ah, but before I go home, there's a guy that I want to go see. Wait. That's the only way out, isn't it? Is it? Yes, no, it is not. There it is. Boo! It sucks! But yeah, Hellkiff, I'll take Crow's advice. You notice the fucking delay on that? On my response? Yeah. I realized how long ago that was. I need proper, good old-fashioned sleep. So you don't give me any options for my fly dudes, okay. That is fine. Do I want to lock on with that? I don't know. I don't know if I do. Acid mod, I do want that to be more stronger, because it is pretty weak. It is pretty weak. Oh, that's really OP already. This kind of needs it more. Yep. I'm going with that. Can we jump over that? We can! Can we jump back over that? We can! Oh god, it's cool. Never realized. Here, bruh. Money, buddy! Alright, let's just leave. Kinda done. No, I do not, man. I don't really watch any YouTubers. Or all, really. Ugh. I'm like full on Twitch. I don't have the time to really watch them. But what does he do? Is he good? Does he do like reviews of video games or what? I don't wish this. I don't wish this. Right. Let's go over there. Explore the testing facility. Let's do it. Let's go. Fly, fly, sir. Please don't make me do a space fight. I don't feel like it at the moment.
Hey, see if you can find anything worth watching.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. In yet another setback for the embattled Captain Quark, the Galactic Court ordered him to pay 6 billion bolts in damages to citizens suffering from personal hygienator syndrome. Only 2 days later, Quark was arrested trying to flee to Poketaru. The one-time hero, now full-time Zero, was placed in custody awaiting trial. But the next day it was discovered that he had escaped, flushing himself to freedom. We will return to Behind the Hero after these messages.
That's awesome. Nice. Nice. Nostalgic shows. He's pretty funny. That's cool. Okay, so just like, it's just about nostalgia. That's a lot of nostalgia to have, man. Kind of all the nostalgia. I'm pretty sure eventually the shows will like kind of come to a halt, right? I don't know. Who knows? What are you? Mini rocket tube. I don't endorse it, okay? This little rocket packs a big punch. Well, that's more than enough for me to buy it, I guess. But I'm gonna leave that there for now. And yeah. I guess Koi. Koi. Activate armor vendor. Oh my shitty titties. Yes. What does it do? This armor is guaranteed to block 33% of all killing damage or your money back. Yes. Do it. I look beautiful now. Armor. Old movies, TV shows, he just recently started again. He was gone for a while. Well, he kind of has to, really. He kind of run out of nostalgia. Need to make more nostalgia. Hey. Die, bro. Oh, God. Stop it. Die, man. Die, please. Go away. There you go. They get a lot of money, though. And that. Awesome. I might check them out, man. I don't know. Again, for me, it's just finding the time. I really don't have time for anything. Whoa, my health just got tiny. I'm pixelated. Very pixelated. Pixelated. Okay. We should use that. All the robots. Okay. And we're good. Nope. Gotta manually select the slingshot still. That's a thing. What do we want now? These? Sure. Shit, I'm dead. Ugh. Nah, I'm good with that. I've already pretty much got my money back as well, so that's good. Alright, let's just buy our armor back. Not our armor, our ammunition. Ammunition! Do it. And... Sure. Not that. That would be nice too, I guess. That's maxed out. Lava, there you go, that's what I want. The lava is where it's at, man. That's what it's about. Shit. Wreck. And gadgets. Awesome. And he's dead. Die, damn it! Jeez. And some more blitz guns. I'm dead. Man, rebuy things again, why not? Why is that maxed out when I just used it? I don't know. There you go. Whatever. Take all the things.
Weapon upgraded. New weapons can be...
Wait, what? That didn't still happen. Right, so with that. Double-barreled shotgun all the way. It's like a thunder gun, man. It's glorious. Right, let's see what else we have. We have the, yep, that one. Do it. And we're fine. There you go, sir. The Defenders 2 is really nice as well. It is. It is. I love the original as well. I used to play it with my friends all the time. It's good. It's good. Not want that to happen, that's what happened. That sucks. Okay. I'm okay. Okay, we can actually come back up here before below. That's cool. Awesome. And straight up. Nice, I'm dead. Swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, cause it's awesome. Nah whales, nah whales. God damn it. Come on, man, embrace it. There you go, sir. You wanna kill them? That dude in the floor, thank you. Damn you, sir! Your craziness. Alright, come here, dude. Get hit. Sweet. Dollars and monies. So this gun's basically a replacement for the flamethrower, basically. For as much as I can tell. Not a bloody narwhals again! It happens, man. It happens. They're awesome, man. You can't, you know, the narwhals. How can you hate the narwhals, dude? Right. Yep. That's how we deal with it. Like that. Just like that. Hopefully we get a save point. I'm dead. Oh, the puppy. Guys, I'm not feeling it today at all. There you go, so you got wrecked. Okay. Wrecked. And that. Wrecked. Awesome. Level up. Sweet. I miss Ratchet and Clank. Well, apparently they're gonna be making a new game. And, they're gonna be bringing out the first Ratchet and Clank, but a remastered version on the PS4. So, yeah. Maybe actually attack the things which are attacking me? How about that? Just, you know, an idea. Okay. We're good. Miles Tales, welcome back to the channel, man. What's up? What's in here? Right, sweet. Nothing, apparently. There you go. And over we go. And yeah. Yep, and yep. Do it! Do it! Tarzan! Do the Tarzan shit, son! Yeah! It's majestic. Look at that dude. It's like a big muscle-bound dude with a tie on. And glasses. Hello, sir.
Nobody, I mean nobody, nobody gets by the mathematician.
Guess all the good names were taken.
Watch your mouth, Zero, before the mathematician subtracts your head from your shoulders.
Sir, as a fellow number cruncher, could I please ask what this is all about?
That moon's where we divide losers from winners before adding them to the Megacorp games. There's a challenger up there ready to reduce you to nothing.
This technology looks familiar. Perhaps I could...
Sweet. Think you can get us to that moon?
Nice. That's awesome. That's hilarious. Double orbit. Nice.
Remember us?
Fire missiles. Fire. Bomb strike.
This one's for my helicopter. You want a piece of me? Bring it on!
Hulk. Fuck this shit, son. Hulk. Smash. Hulk. Destroy. Come on, bro. Come here, dude. Hey. Dude. You're coming back, right? Well, this is something. Health acquired. Acquire more health, man. Do it. Acquire all the health. There you go, that's it. Okay. All the missiles. Do you think we'll pay for the damages? Probably Quark. It's always Quark, right? Health.
You want a piece of me? Bring it on.
You going? Come here, bruh. Hey. Alright, there we go. Come on, bruh! No, you don't. Get wrecked, buddy! Whoa, hey! Close.
I'll get you, Ratchet.
That almost crashed.
The last thing I do.
I'll get you, Dad. Never gets the last thing I do. Yeah, we get it, bro. We get it. I'd be surprised they were, anyone still alive after this. I don't know, man.
Divide and conquer, huh? Yeah, guess you guys were prime after all. You're going to the Megacorp Games!
Megacorp Games, sponsored by Megacorp.
Nice.
Okay, Megacorp contestants, get ready to grapple with our Megacorp Gladiator team. And if you survive that, enter the Megacorp Battle Arena with our Mega Spider-Bot and our Mega Death-defying Mega Cage match. Then open the throttle for the all-Megacorp Hoverbike race, brought to you by Team Megacorp Racing. Hostile indigenous population not owned, endorsed, sponsored, supplied, advocated, or even liked by Megacorp. Approach at your own risk. The Megacorp Games. Keep it mega.
Mega! Awesome. So, flight fog leader on Lunar Planet. Nope, I'm good. I'm fine. Thank you. Let's go home, shall we? Yep, return to ship. Do it. Return to my ship. Ugh. All those douches, though, really? All the douches. Enter facility. Sure, why not? Let's do it. Oh, not this again. Wait, what? Get wrecked. This almost feels like the prequel to Ratchet and Clank Gladiator. Really? The tower defense thing? Oh, you mean because... Okay, got you, yeah. I can see why you made that connection. Yeah. Alright, sweet. Oh god. How do you pay for riding on one of those floating taxis? You don't pay. They're free. There you go, sir. Die. Thank you. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna go in like a couple of minutes. I am... So there's the prequel. What? Guys, he's talking about Dungeon Defenders 2. He's not talking about the game. He's saying that Dungeon Defenders 2 is similar to Ratchet and Clank Gladiator, and I can see how he, yeah. He's not saying that this game is, yeah. So there you go. Ah, bruh. Awesome. Swing it. There you go. There you go as well. Okay.
Okay.
Put a bolt in there,
The
dude.
core terminal. Let's see what we can get from it.
The power appears to be out in this entire area.
You're right. I better call a maintenance bot. Let's just follow him and fix it ourselves.
You need the glider here. You'll have to go to another planet to find it.
God damn it. Well, screw. No, you didn't mean Ratchet and Clank 2, really? Due to the whole Mega Cop fighting thing? Well, yeah, as they said, yeah. That's like the fourth one. This is only the second game, so, yeah. See, I thought you were making a reference to Dungeon Defenders. My bad. My bad. Now we'll leave, I guess. Is that it? Seems to be like less content in planets now. It feels like it. Like the levels are kind of short. Dessert with the crystals has the glider. Yeah, but I need the boots to get up on the thing to get it, I think. I can't get it just yet. I need the boots. I don't want to do that yet. Okay, I'll go there, but I'm not going to start it yet. More planets, less content, I think. Fair enough.
Thugs for less. Pay for 6 hits and the 7th is free. You want us to what? Whoa, wait a minute. That'd be an unethical conflict of interest. What kind of scum do you think we are? Say, that is a lot of bolts. Well, since you put it that way, I suppose we could undo our previous obligation. Excellent, sir. Thank you for choosing Thugs for Less. Attention all Thugs for Less personnel. We now have a new employer.
Nice, nice. So a lot more loading screens then. Planet Jobat. Jobat. Well, that's fucking beautiful. Nice. That's pretty. Guys, I'm probably gonna call it. I'm not feeling so great. I'm feeling really, really tired. Somewhat unnaturally tired, so... I'm just probably gonna quit and lounge around the house all day. Moaning. About nothing, really. I do want to get that. What was that one? Plasma coil, nice. Spider butt glove? Remote control spider with an explosive blast. Sweet. Okay. So guys, sorry for the really short cast today. But I'll be back on again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, isn't it? I'm fairly sure it is. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. We'll be playing this again tomorrow. And hopefully I'll be rejuvenated by then, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If anyone's new, remember to follow the cast to get notifications and so on. If you have the Twitter, feel free to follow me on that as well. It might be the best way to know when I'm going live. It is. So, do that. And I follow back. Have a nice day, guys, and I'm sorry about this. I'm really tired. I'm going to see if there's anyone that I can host. So you're going to stick around for that, you can do. Next week, spring break. Nice, man, that's glorious to her. But guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll be back on tomorrow. Unless I feel miraculously better within like an hour or two. Then I'll come back. But yeah, I wouldn't really expect it. Good night, guys. And good day. Bye-bye.